Hey guys, so today in this video, I am going to be sharing you how to get the latest Delta Executor. Now, since Delta Executor which is shut down, all you gotta do is just search this. Search Delta Executor.com. Now guys, it will bring you to this link. Just click on it. Once you have to click on this link, as you can see, a lot and lots. So just press this if you have Android. In clicking this, it would show this. Now download that. Click on the three dots, go to downloads, and as you can see, there is a Delta Executor blah blah. Since I've already downloaded this app, so I can just delete this. So just delete your Roblox. After that, go to Chrome. And guys, if you're wondering what this is the Delta Executor for PC. So I'm just going to put it on my drive, browser, drive, save. Now let me save that. So guys, if you want this thing that for PCs, don't worry, I got you. Boom. So if you want this Delta Executor, just message me and you'll be alright. Good. Alright. Basically, let's stop playing around and just wait. Since I've already downloaded this, again, we are going to install this. As you can see, it is installing. Done. Let's go, yes sir. Now just click on Roblox.